A scarf is not merely an accessory, but also an incredibly versatile and sophisticated fashion item, capable of completely transforming the look of an outfit. A simple scarf, when carefully chosen and artfully coordinated, can bring elegance, a splash of color, and fresh texture to any ensemble, from everyday wear to party attire. Unlike many other fashion pieces that may be selective about their users or quickly go out of style, scarves are timeless items suitable for all ages and styles. Particularly, scarves are easy to use and offer immediate beautifying effects. Just a few simple moves like draping lightly over the shoulders or creatively knotting can create a distinctive look. This convenience makes scarves beloved by many women, as they not only enhance appearance but also help women feel more confident and comfortable in every situation. In today's video, we will explore ways to transform scarves from simple to elegant, from dynamic to noble toe. Elevate your style and boost your confidence every time you step outside. Watch till the end for some very clever tips that few people know. A scarf is not just an ordinary fashion accessory, but a multi-talented artist in every woman's wardrobe due to its flexible and diverse usage possibilities. A single scarf can deliver countless styles depending on how you combine and create with it. From elegant and gentle looks to youthful, bold, or avant-garde styles, scarves can perfectly meet all these needs. One of the most popular uses is gently draping the scarf over the shoulders. This style imparts a gentle, graceful aura, ideal for casual outings, meeting friends, or formal events. With this simple gesture, you create an attractive focal point for your outfit without being overly elaborate. Additionally, you can knot the scarf in front to create a more dynamic and youthful look, perfect for workdays or intimate gatherings. This knotting method not only secures the scarf but also adds personality to the overall look. Scarves can also be used as a unique belt. Instead of traditional belts, a long scarf tied around the waist not only highlights a slim waistline but also brings a fresh, more stylish feel. You can select scarves with bold patterns or bright colors to serve as a focal point, making your outfit more lively and trendy. Moreover, scarves can be fashioned into headbands, a wonderful way to keep hair tidy while remaining full of vitality, suitable for all ages and occasions. Another application of scarves is to accentuate handbags. Simply tying a small scarf onto the handbag strap can create a luxurious detail, making the bag look more unique and distinctive. This is an effective way to refresh your wardrobe without spending much on new accessories. What makes scarves especially beloved by many women is their suitability for every age and personal style. Whether you prefer simplicity and softness, pursue luxury and nobility, or like bold, dynamic looks, scarves can meet these desires. Each tying method, each pairing, expresses the wearer's unique personality, helping you confidently shine in your own way. Besides, using scarves is a smart and economical way to refresh outfits without buying too many new clothes. Instead of spending time and money on renewing your wardrobe, just one versatile scarf can endlessly transform to suit each outfit and occasion. This not only saves you money, but also contributes to environmental protection by reducing excessive consumption. In summary, scarves are small yet powerful accessories that offer flexibility and diversity in a woman's fashion style. Creativity in scarf usage not only helps you renew your image daily, but also shows sophistication and skill in grooming your appearance. This is the secret to always maintaining a distinctive, prominent, and confident style wherever you go. Scarves are not only accessories for cold seasons, but also versatile fashion pieces suitable year-round, fitting all seasons and different circumstances. This flexibility makes scarves indispensable in every woman's closet, as they effortlessly elevate style while maintaining comfort and convenience. In winter or chilly days, scarves are indispensable companions that keep you warm while enhancing the elegance of your outfit. A thick, warm scarf draped around the neck or wrapped over the shoulders not only protects you from cold but also creates a striking fashion accent, making you look sophisticated and attractive. Soft wool or cashmere scarves are often preferred in this season for their warmth and inherent luxury. However, scarves are not limited to winter alone. In summer, scarves made from lightweight, breathable materials like silk, cotton, or chiffon become wonderful accessories that add charm and highlight your look. You can use scarves to add a splash of color to a simple dress, or tie them as headbands to keep hair tidy and avoid heat while preserving femininity. Lightweight scarves also help shield skin from sunlight, protecting health while remaining fashionable. During spring and autumn, the transitional seasons with mild weather scarves are also perfect for layering outfits. You can easily change your style by selecting scarves with bright colors and seasonal patterns, adding vibrancy and eye-catching elements to your clothes. Scarves also help you mix and match with layers such as light coats or cardigans, creating harmonious, stylish, and modern looks. A great advantage of scarves is their convenience to carry. They are light and easy to fold, so you can effortlessly slip them into your handbag, ready to use whenever needed. This is a big plus for busy women who travel frequently but want to maintain a polished, elegant appearance anytime, anywhere. Moreover, scarves are a secret weapon to quickly refresh an outfit in just seconds. Simply changing the way you drape, tie, or knot, a scarf can transform a simple outfit into a neat, refined, and fashionable look without needing to invest in many new clothes. This is especially meaningful in helping you save time and shopping expenses, while clearly affirming your personal style. Scarves are not just simple fashion accessories, but symbols of sophistication, personality, and confidence in every woman. When you know how to leverage the benefits scarves bring, you not only beautify yourself, but also demonstrate cleverness and intelligence in grooming your appearance. Therefore, scarves become indispensable items in every woman's wardrobe, especially for those who want to maintain an elegant, gentle, yet striking style. One of the most important things when using scarves is confidence. Regardless of your age or style, as long as you know how to harmoniously combine scarves with outfits, you will find yourself becoming more graceful and attractive. Scarves don't limit you with rigid fashion rules. They encourage creativity and personal expression. Sometimes, just a small scarf, when paired tastefully, is enough to make you noticeably different in style and mood. Additionally, scarves help you maintain youthfulness and dynamism in your soul. When you know how to renew yourself with simple yet sophisticated accessories, you will always feel cared for and appreciated not only by others but also by yourself. Attention to your appearance, even small details like scarf tying, adds value to yourself and helps you sustain a positive, loving life. Scarves also serve as a bridge connecting you with your community and family. When you feel more confident about your style and image, you will easily integrate and connect with those around you. You can inspire younger generations in your family about preserving beauty and style at every age, helping them understand that fashion never limits by age, but is a way to express yourself. This is a very meaningful message, contributing to building the image of a modern, dynamic, and vibrant woman. Finally, the advice for every woman is to always cherish and love herself. Use items like scarves not only to beautify but also to nurture your soul and maintain confident, elegant demeanor. Don't hesitate to experiment and create with many different scarves. And never forget that each scarf is an opportunity to express grace, refinement, and uniqueness. Because true beauty is not only in clothing but also in how you love and care for yourself every day. Dear sisters, sometimes you don't need expensive clothes or elaborate accessories. Just one scarf and a few subtle tips can transform your style to be fresh and captivating every day. If you find these tips useful, don't forget to like, share the video with friends, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss fashion, beauty, and lifestyle secrets dedicated to women like us. Wishing you always shine, be confident, and beautiful in your own way.